Today, let's learn 100 most common collocations. Part A. Collocations with make. Make a decision. I need to make a decision soon. Make a mistake. She made a big mistake. Make an effort. We made an effort to find a solution. Make a plan. Let's make a plan for the weekend. Make a phone call. I need to make a quick phone call. Make money. She makes a lot of money online. Make noise. Don't make so much noise. Make a mess. The kids made a mess in the kitchen. Make progress. You've made great progress. Make a choice. You must make a choice. Collocations with do. Do homework. He always does his homework late. Do the dishes. Can you do the dishes? Do your best. Just do your best. Do business. They do business in China. Do damage. The fire did a lot of damage. Do exercise. I try to do exercise every day. Do someone a favor? Can you do me a favor? Do your hair. She's doing her hair now. Do research. He's doing research on climate change. Do a good job. You did a good job. Collocations with have. Have a shower. I'm going to have a shower. Have breakfast. We had breakfast at 8 a.m. Have fun. Have fun at the party. Have a break. Let's have a break now. Have a chat. We had a nice chat. Have a headache. I have a terrible headache. Have an idea. I have an idea for the project. Have a rest. She needs to have a rest. Have a look. Can I have a look? Have lunch. We had lunch at the park. Collocations with get. Get married. They got married last year. Get dressed. I'm getting dressed now. Get ready. Let's get ready to go. Get lost. He got lost in the country park. Get better. I hope you get better soon. Get home. I got home late. Get a job. He's getting a job. Get angry. She got angry quickly. Get permission. You need to get permission. Get wet. You'll get wet in the rain. Collocations with take. Take a break. Let's take a short break. Take notes. She's taking notes in class. Take a photo. Can you take a photo of us? Take care. Take care of yourself. Take medicine. He took some medicine. Take part. I took part in the game. Take a seat. Please take a seat. Take time. It takes time to learn. Take a chance. Take a chance and apply. Take responsibility. He took responsibility for your job. Brilliant work. You've learned 50 most common collocations. Let's move on to part B. Like this video. Comment below. Download the worksheet. And subscribe for more lessons.